The Peony Flower Bed Refresh. These peony flower bushes along our driveway need a good cleanup. The weeds are invading, so I got this tool to help me with that. I ordered it from Amazon. The link is in the description. Easy to put together. The brand is a DonSail Garden Tool. It's a hula garden weeder. And wow, it worked well. It's a big flower bed. It's over 20 feet long. Still a lot of work, but the hula weeder made it easier. Then I got 6 bags of black mulch and put it all in the flower bed. I didn't lay it very thick because it's only for this year. We have plans for these flower bushes and landscaping, including the driveway, but not until next year. There's 2 open spaces between the peony bushes, so we planted 2 dahlia plants there. Apparently, dahlias thrive with peonies. The pink lavender dahlia is known as Dahlia Mystic Dreamer. The yellow dahlia is known as Dahlia Mystic Illusion.
Spending time in nature lowers heart rate and blood pressure, reduces stress hormone production, anxiety, depression, and stress. Flowers are truly miraculous. Flowers have the potential to help us heal our emotional challenges, large and small. Take a walk in your backyard, in a park or forest, any place where plants grow. Become aware of how you're feeling. Slow down and be mindful of your surroundings. Take time to feel the subtle healing power of flowers.
Thanks for watching. I appreciate it if you would like and subscribe.